Today I'm going to show you how to remove that moldy looking bloom of your Roland Fantom knobs. First, remove the affected knobs by pulling them out. Sometimes you have to pull a little hard. Now this grey stuff is called bloom. It's actually plasteciser that has migrated to the surface. If you clean it up using soap or detergent, as soon as it dries, the film just reappears. In order to clean it, I will be using some baking soda and the toothbrush. We're adding a little bit of water to the baking soda. Then we get on to the toothbrush. I'm going to brush it with the baking soda and the toothbrush. The baking soda is a little bit abrasive, and together with the toothbrush it's going to get all that bloom off. It's important that you brush with the tips, because that's how the material gets removed. If you just use pressure like that, then it's the sides of the bristle and they don't remove anything very well. It's always got to be the tips when you use a brush. Do this to all the knobs. Rinse them off under the tap when you're done. Dry them off. They're looking a lot better. They don't look brand new, but it looks a lot better. If the baking soda doesn't quite get it off, don't use a citrus based cleaner, because this can liquefy the rubber. Instead, use isopropyl alcohol. I did not use isopropyl alcohol, but this is an option if the baking soda fails. If the knob sort of looks dry, parched and dull after cleaning, what we can do is put a little bit of oil on it to make it look fresh again. Add a little bit of mineral oil or castor oil, just a tiny bit. And rub it in. Wipe off the excess. You don't want much on it, just a little bit. Putting them back on. It doesn't look brand new, but it does look a lot better than it did.